Is the dreaded Microsoft Visual C Runtime library error crashing your Windows 10 party? Let's kick that error to the curb right now. First, we'll try repairing the Visual C Redistributables. Click the Windows Start button. Type in Apps and Features and select it. Scroll through the list until you find a Microsoft Visual C Redistributable package. Select one and click Modify. If you don't see the Modify option, try uninstall and then reinstall. In the Setup window, click Repair and follow the on-screen instructions. Repeat this process for all the Visual C Redistributable packages listed. Restart your computer after. If the error persists, your graphics drivers might be the culprit. Open the Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install the latest version again. Restart your computer. Finally, conflicting software might be causing the issue. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S. Look for any recently installed or suspicious programs and try ending their processes one by one to see if the error disappears. Consider uninstalling the conflicting software altogether. And that's it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to banishing the Microsoft Visual C Runtime library error and enjoying a smoother Windows 10 experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.